Hello friends, this is Yasir and in this video I am gonna show you how to add date picker in React. For that simply I go to my editor. This is the simple syntax of React Native. First of all I go to my Chrome and write here React Native model date picker. Simply install this dependency for npm, and for yarn you have to install the load dependency. I just copy that and paste it here, press enter. So our dependency adds successfully. Now let's go to Google Chrome again, and this code is doing in functional component. Let's change this class component into functional component. For that simply add here const, it means constant function type, and write here an arrow function. This render is not needed. And this is now our function component. Simply copy these functions from here and paste it here. After that, copy this button from here and paste it here, and last copy this and paste it here. I'll teach you what is happening here after a while. Control save, and let's run this project first. For that simply I write here npx react native run android. Close my Google Chrome. So our app is running and there is an error, cannot find variable use state because we didn't define this use state anywhere. So simply write here use state, and also I import here button because I use button in my code. Now control save, and here is an error of datetime picker model. I forgot to import that file from Chrome. Paste it here and again control save, and here we go. This is our text that's shown here. What if I add here a styling? Style is equal to styles dot mean, and set here a style just like align item, center, and justify content is also in center. Control save, and now it's looked at. So I press this button and here is our calendar. You can select any date from here. If I choose 3 March 2021, press OK. Then it show me a warn, and inside this warn show a date has been picked 2021, the month is 03 and the date is 02, and other one is the format of the date. So what we are doing in this code, let's review it. First of all, when I click this button, this call our function. That function is here. That function simply set our pick date into true. That is by default false. And when this function runs, this set it into true. After that, the purpose of this button accomplished successfully. After that, this model run by default because this is our render function. First of all, this text run. After that, this button run, and after that, this model run. So when this model run, that check it is visible, so that is true because we set it here a value 2. So when this is true, set its mode into date, and after that on confirm this function run, and in this function the date is we set from here, and this one will run just like this one. A date has been picked. After that, our date has shown, and after that, this function run. This means this function again call this, and this function set our state into false again. So this is the tutorial for setting our date in functional component. And if I have to convert it into a class component, for that simply remove this cons from all there and create here a state and update that date for this button on press. Thank you for today's video.